So what's up, everybody? My name is Peter.
My name's Chantel, and you're watching
PC Life. If you couldn't already tell, I'm sick. My eyes are watery, and I'm sick.
Yes, stay away from me.
But the reason why we're vlogging right now is because
we are at the CP holiday train, which is just arriving in Toronto for tonight. It's gonna arrive anywhere between 8:15. So we're gonna watch it come in. So it's kind of like setting off the Christmas time, right?
yeah.
So I'm pretty pumped. I've always wanted to go and never gone. So we're going today, right now.
So do you want to explain to them what the CP train is?
From my understanding, it's like this holiday train. It's like decked out, like Christmas train that travels across Canada, and right now it's gonna only be in Toronto tonight. So we're going to see it.
Yeah, so it's going to start in half an hour. So I have no appetite, but she does. So we're gonna get something to eat.
Yes.
Well, she's gonna get something to eat, and then we're gonna go watch this train, and then
You're cutting off your face.
it doesn't matter. And then we're going home, and I'm gonna KO. But another thing that she didn't mention is this train is supposed to. It's an event where we're supposed to give food. I'm confirming with you.
Oh, I thought you were.
We're supposed to give food, right?
Non-perishable food items.
Yeah, to the less fortunate.
Yeah, so it's kind of like a fundraiser also, which is so awesome. So we have our non-perishable food items in the little baggie.
Yeah.
To give, and
We're being good people, guys.
we're gonna have a good time.
Yeah, so we'll film it. We're gonna film it. Show you guys the train goodness.
Train goodness.
And then yeah, I guess we'll call it a night. So yeah, see you when the train arrives.
Bye.
Here it comes. I saw the light. There it is. It's coming now. Here it comes. See it? It's pretty cool, eh?
Dallas. You see the
See
train?
it, Dallas? Adrian, look at the train. Look.
Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Let's take off those before us and sing a chorus or two. Come on, it's lovely weather.
Yeah, just try to focus. Oh, here we go.
Hello, Toronto! Are you out there? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 2017 Holiday Train! We have a treat for you. Coming right up here is Toronto's own Emma Lee!
Hey, you guys! How you doing, Toronto? All right. Oh, amazing crowd tonight.
Emma Lee!
A little bit dancing.
Can you sing your hit single for us?
Can't be Christmas on the phone. Don't be Christmas in your home. Don't be like a holiday. Look out, Jack, there's something on the track. He got rhythm in his feet and nothing on the side. Boogie woogie Santa Claus. Boogie woogie Santa Claus. Oh, my boogie woogie Santa. Comes to time each Christmas Day. Bread Food Bank for $15,000 from CP.
So that was it. Now we're just about to head to our vehicle so we can drive home. A lady sneezed on me.
And me.
Like, so disgusting, man. Like, sorry, you guys can't really see me, but or see us.
Yeah, is this a little autofocus?
No.
Oh.
But yeah, she's sneezing on my direction. She didn't even cover her mouth.
No, it was like a
Yeah, it's just like
you didn't see
you can
it, but
feel it. You can feel it. You can feel
from the
it.
sound.
Oh man, but yeah, that was good. That was great.
Yeah, so thanks so much for CP Train for doing that, and thanks so much to Daily Bread for the fundraiser. It was amazing, and yeah.
Now
Now we're in the darkness because Peter put us in the dark, but that's okay.
Now it's time to go home. So we'll catch you guys in the next vlog. See you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.